Lovely. अभी करते हैं. We'll just finish. When we finish, you talk to me then. Okay? Now it's finished. Lovely to meet you. मुझे बुला लो.
हाँ जी everybody, थोड़ी आवाज हो जाए सर के लिए. Come on everybody, let's go. थोड़ी और एनर्जी. पुणे एनर्जी कहाँ है?
I'll ask you a thing.
Yeah.
So we just address them in Marathi saying Pune Manje Prem.
Okay.
It means Pune means love. Pune Manje Prem.
Pune Manje Prem. Pune Manje Prem.
I'll ask you. Yeah.
And I say Pune Manje Prem. You have to all say it. We'll just do it. We'll just do it.
Okay, and now girls, सुनो, सर पुणे में आए हैं तो पुणे वालों के लिए भी तो कुछ खास मैसेज सर.
Pune Manje Prem. Thank you.
पुणे मंजे प्रेम.
पुणे
बोल
मंजे
दिया,
प्रेम.
guys.
से,
क्या बात है. थोड़ी और
पुणे
आवाज हो
म्हणजे
जाए.
प्रेम. पुणे म्हणजेच प्रेम.
Pune Manje Prem. Love you all. Thank you. Good night.
Well, there is still something else, sir.
There is okay.
There's
Tell me.
still something
There's
else.
the selfie.
There is, that definitely is, but there's something else also.
Okay.
क्योंकि आपने कहा पुणे मंजे प्रेम. And what is that? अच्छा,
पुणे तिथे काय उणे.
वो भी है. बट क्योंकि सर ने ये कहा, हमने सर के लिए भी एक सरप्राइज रखा है.
अच्छा.
We have a surprise for you. Ladies, do you mind coming onto this side? Ma'am, do you mind coming onto that side? We have a surprise for you, sir. क्योंकि आप पुणे में आए हैं, the send off to you should be Pune style.
Okay.
Here we go. Bring them in. Pune style celebration then. Let's go.
We walk out.
Pune ready ho? Pune style ke liye? All right, sir. Here's a surprise for you. 3, 2, 1.
I don't have to dance.
हम आग नहीं उजाला बनना चाहते हैं. हम शोर नहीं आवाज बनना चाहते हैं. हम भीड़ नहीं एक पहचान बनना चाहते हैं.
And with that, everybody make some noise for Shri Rahul Gandhi!
Thank you.
And now the selfie, sir. The epic selfie, 15,000 women coming together. Thank you, girls.
Come,
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's get a picture with sir.
I got worried. I thought you were going to make me dance. No. Panic. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
And now,
Thank you.
and now, सब तैयार हो जाओ सर के साथ सेल्फी के लिए एवरीबॉडी. सारे मोबाइल फ्लैशलाइट ऑन, सारे के सारे. सर, पिछली बार आपने पिंक शर्ट पहना था, ये तो जलजला मच गया था. इस बार येलो इज द सीजन. आई एम श्योर पूरा इंडिया ये भी फॉलो करने वाला है. लेट्स गेट अ नाइस सेल्फी नाउ एवरीबॉडी. कम ऑन, हियर वी गो. रेडी?
You want to press this button? Only this one.
Yes, sir.
This one. Yeah, you can do it.
Come on, Pune!
Thank you.
And on that note, thank you, sir. We truly, truly, truly love you.
Thank you.
And you are the person we look forward to do anything
Thank
and
you
everything.
very much.
Thank you for being
Thank
here,
you.
sir.
And thank you everybody. Thank you for a lovely evening. Come. Come.
Really?
She wants to come.
Oh my God. अब तो सर ने कह
Why
दिया
don't the
है.
other girls also come?
ऐसे ही नहीं कहते कि सर बड़े दिल वाले हैं. सारे आ गए. Everyone is here. Come on.
We do a selfie. Come.
हाय हाय
What's your name?
Arya.
Nice.
So I want to talk to you about many things.
Okay.
I would love to meet you one
Okay,
on
come and meet me. Come and meet me.
And on that note, Pune, मजा आया तो आवाज हो जाए.
एक कल्चरल शॉक
अभी आ
हमारी
जाओ, come there.
बेटियां
Biju, we
इस
are
प्रकार की भाषा कैसे बोल सकती
क्या बेहतरीन दिन रहा है सारे लड़कों को वहां पे. थैंक यू ब्रदर्स.
Thank you. Good night. I forgot. Welcome and love you to the boys also. Good night. Thank you. Thank you.